Do you want to generate such viral jersey images to support your team this World Cup? You can do so using any image generator AI, but my favorite is Bing Image Creator. Just search Bing Image Creator and log in with your Google account. Now, all you have to do is to write a correct prompt to generate such images. I have provided the prompt in the description. You can copy that and modify it as per your requirement. Now, just click on Create button and the AI will start rendering your images, and after a few seconds your images are ready. You got 4 AI generated images and you can preview them and download them just by clicking on them. If you want another theme or background, you can also do so. Just replace the cricket match with anything you want, like Kedarnath Temple, and the AI will generate that image too. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing videos.